Good afternoon, everyone, and respected Ramlathan sir. My name is Kishan, and I'm studying here to explain the code event by using JavaScript. Now we can see on the screen. Here is the HTML title, head section, body section. In body section, we will see the whole output, whole code of event by using JavaScript, and here is the script is closed, body closed. Now we can see the output of this code. Now we can see if we click on submit button, the color of the welcome is change, and now in the body section, if we change the change the color in the style color, we can change in blue. In blue, here the color will change into blue. Thank you.